Sampath, Massimo, it's wonderful to have you here with us in the Asia Pacific region, speaking with many of our enterprise customers.
Yeah, Rob, the biggest change we see is on digital. And digital has two components to it: digitizing interfaces within the company and digitizing customer interfaces. A lot of companies have used this opportunity to fundamentally change their operating model. These companies are winners. On the other hand, you have created this whole pool of companies that have been distracted during the pandemic, that have just not done that. So you're going to see a separation of winners and losers, largely driven by the pandemic.
Massimo, this idea of winners and losers, you've seen customers not only here in the Asia Pacific region, but all around the world react and respond to these changes. What does a winner look like?
The winners were the company who first and better than others has built a flexible platform for their applications. They build the ability to scale up and down their application, their data, their ability to reach consumers and partners and suppliers in one end-to-end streams. Those are the companies who really took advantage of the pandemic as the users shift from in-store to online purchase. Companies who were farther ahead took advantage of that and expanded their business.
Capital models are changing dramatically as well. And Sampath, I know you've had many conversations in the Asia Pacific region about the role that technology is playing in the fourth industrial revolution.
There is no cloud without the network. But as the fourth industrial revolution, there are two major pieces that have changed as part of the pandemic. The first is supply chain. We at Verizon used to have products, we used to have a 3-4 week lead time. We now have a 54-week lead time for those products. I suspect our customers are seeing the same. So the whole concept of just-in-time inventory has gone out of the window. So we are investing a lot and seeing our customers invest a lot in tracking assets, tracking inventory flows, using AI and automation, predictive models to do that. The second has been on factory floor automation. Most companies and most countries are trying to increase productivity. And even large Asian countries, you see a shortage of skilled staff. So they're going to have to add more automation and robotics. To do that, you just need a private 5G network to stitch all that together. And this is the foundation of the fourth industrial revolution we see, which is full-time visibility in the real-time enterprise across your inventory.
Massimo, you've worked with some of the world's largest retailers and helped them to transform their business models. What can retailers in the Asia Pacific region learn and take away from some of your experiences with these large global operators?
Yeah, the game with retailer is to understand better the customers and to get to the personalized sales. To do that, you had to have a lot of information from your customers, and you had to create real-time insights so that you can reach your customers where they are in their thinking process and their buying process. Real-time opportunities and real-time technologies will make a difference on how good you are to get your customers where they are in the buying cycle.